Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nicholas, and Nicholas is 10 years old and he is an identical twin. And we're working on arm strengthening with Nick. So one of the things I start working on is wall push-ups. It's one of the easier things that I do. We don't have a wall right here, so I am going to be a pretend wall. Get your hands on my hands. I'm pretending like I'm a wall. Let's do first a plank. So on this plank, yep. The closer his feet is to me, just stay right there, don't rock, stay still. The closer his feet are to me, the easier it is, so get your feet a little bit closer. Get your arms straight, get your arms straight, whoop, arm straight, there you go. That's easy. Back up your feet, and it gets harder. Can you go back any further? All right, and here, and you can see that now he's starting to not want to put weight on his arms as much and hold his weight instead with his legs. So the further back, you can step forward again. The further back the legs are, the harder it is. The closer in your feet are, the easier it is. So those are wall planks. You just have to replace me with a wall. I'm being replaced. So it's where I often start with children who are working on arm strengthening. Hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.